Light mag. 4.5 earthquake, Philippine Sea, 46 kilometers east of Melita, Davao Occidental, Philippines, on Saturday, March 25, 2023 at 7:59 a.m. GMT +8, 1 hour 22 minutes ago. Primary data source Raspberry Shake. Updated. March 25, 2023 1:17 Greenwich Mean Time 4 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data interactive map user reports earlier quakes here. Quakes in the Philippines below. Light magnitude 4.5 earthquake at 143 kilometers depth. Big earthquake today in Philippines. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. MK TV earthquake updates. All world countries updates.